channel. Today we're going to be starting off heading to Bridgewater Breach, seeing how far we can get. Then we're going to turn back round and head back to the marina, because unfortunately you can't go up Manchester no more. The canals have been drained and you can only go so far up the Leeds and Liverpool. So where our marina is, we're kind of in the middle of all that, so there's no way for us to get around the breaches. So the only thing to do now is head to the breach, turn around and head back to the marina. Let's go. Well, we're in Double Massey at the moment. We're heading to the breach on Bridgewater until we can't go no further. Check that out. And then, because there's breaches on both ends of where we want to go, like Bridgewater and the Leeds and Liverpool canal, once we've done this, we're going to just have to head back to our marina that's in Lee. So there's not really much to do till the sort of beach is out and all the low water levels.
It's daft, isn't it? We're basically stuck.
Yeah.
We can't go one way all the way because there's a big breach at Little Bollington, and then we're going to have to turn around and go back the way that we came, but we can't go past Lee because there's a breach there as well. Well, not a breach, but there's just no water.
Yeah.
Really low water levels. So we're stuck.
It's fun, isn't it?
Great. Yeah, it looks like the bankings give way.
Lovely.
I know. Yeah, there's like sheeting and stuff down.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
That's cool, that.
What?
I could see the old marks on the bridge from where the rope used to rub against it from the old working boats way back in the day.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool.
We've got a couple of model boats down here too.
Oh yeah.
And yet again, the weather's on our side. It's a beautiful clear sky.
It is.
Sun's booming, barely any wind, so it's a nice day.
It's been like this for a bit now, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Like the last week or so that we've been on the boat, it's been really nice. Makes a change.
Definitely does make a change.
Just gonna go slow past these moored boats. We don't actually know exactly how far down here we can actually get, because the breach was at Little Bollington, wasn't it? So we'll have to see. But obviously at some point we're gonna have to turn back round, aren't we?
Yeah.
Which is a bit of a pain.
It is, especially when you've got the itch to go and explore and
Yeah.
just keep going.
I really wanted to see further down, and it's going to be a bit annoying having to go all the way back the same route that we came.
Seeing the same stuff.
Yeah, yeah, but at least we know where's good tomorrow and where's not, and things like that, so... This is a lovely part of the canal law.
because of where we are as well.
Yeah.
It's literally just countryside.
It is, that's why I like
There's
it.
a cute little village that we was moored up at.
Yeah,
Well,
Dunham Town, that was really cute.
It's literally just country. Like, you got farmers' fields everywhere, so it's nice and peaceful.
Yeah, there's literally nothing around. So we've got one more bridge to go under, and then we're going past Dunham Massey Hall. I don't know if do you know what I'm saying this? I don't even know if we'll even be able to see it from the canal. Because we've never been this way before.
No.
But we'll see. I'm hoping you can, because it.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
It'd be nice to see some history.
Oh wait. What's that? It's shut.
There you go. That's the one.
Well, we didn't get very far, did we?
Well, we knew the beach was down there, so.
Yeah, we did.
Sometimes we'll have stops, so it's no skin off my nose, like.
And there's a breach.
Oh, feels good to be shared. I'm telling you.
Oh, that's not good. My God. Well, at least we came as far as we could down this end.
Yeah. Now we've got to head back because we can't go Manchester.
Yeah.
We can't go up the Leeds and Liverpool through Wigan. So the only thing we can
There's
do
no
now
other
is
choice.
head back to the marina, really,
Yeah.
until it's all sorted.
Down through Worsley and everything again.
Yep. Worsley, Eccles. Off the Bridgewater.
Yeah. Well, that's definitely as far as we're getting on this side of Bridgewater today. Time to turn the boat around, I reckon.
I think so. Maybe we'll start heading back slower.
How's about? No.
How's about? Get the front fucking rope. Or I'm putting you in the canal. You can go for a little swim with the fishes.
It's so fucking nice.
I am.
Alright. Time to turn her around.
Turn around. I don't even know the words of the song.
Every now and then.
Every time I get a song stuck in my head, right, I know about 5 words of the song. So
No, you usually make your own words up,
yeah,
add your own.
because I don't know the bloody song. Like, it's songs obviously I've heard before. I just don't know the words to them. Saying, darling.
Cocky much.
Just saying.
Right, let's turn her around. Quick and easy way to turn your cruiser boat round in a canal. There she goes. Got it?
Yeah.
And we're done.
Tell we done that one too many times.
Just a few. You ready for me?
Yeah.
So that's literally as far as we're going on the Bridgewater today, down this end anyway. It's Little Bollington that the breach is in, but we didn't even make it to Dunham Massey Hall.
No.
So
we didn't make it far at all.
No.
And we didn't realise how close the breach actually was.
Yeah, we just thought we'd go down as far as we could, which we've done. So
now time to head back.
Yep.
Which I think we're gonna do over about, I don't know, maybe a few days. Like just go slow, find somewhere nice, more up, and chill there for a night or two.
Because it is a good few miles, isn't it?
Yeah, you can definitely get past Sale.
Yeah.
Sale Cruise Club anyway.
Yeah.
Because it's always busy down there, and we'll see from there really.
Yeah. Yeah, sounds good to me. It's Stretford after Sale, isn't it?
I think so.
Yeah, because there was that other cruise club as well.
I'm not good with geography, me, so I couldn't tell you.
None of us are. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe.